Nakalimutan na natin kung paano kumain. May problema ako sa mga food vlogger, including myself, kasi paminsan-minsan nagpo-food trip pa rin naman tayo. Ang problema ko sa atin, nakalimutan na natin kung paano kumain. What do I mean by that? Somewhere along the way, food stopped being food and it became something to judge. Hindi pa nga natin kinakain yung pagkain, di ba? Ginajudge na natin. We rate, we compare, nagko-complain na tayo. Hindi ko naman sinasabing kalimutan na natin yung quality, yung cleanliness, and yung food safety. Syempre mahalaga pa rin yan. Dapat alam natin kung ano yung kinakain natin. Pero minsan, nakakalimutan na rin natin mag-enjoy. Lalo na kapag nasa labas tayo kasama ang mga taong mahal natin. Maybe it's a date night with your partner, dinner with your friends, or maybe it's time with your family. Hindi lahat ng meal kailangan gawing review. Hindi lahat ng plato kailangan hanapan ng mali. Minsan ang tunay na value ng pagkain, it's not what's on the plate, it's who's sitting across from you. And check this out. Hindi lahat ng kainan gustong maging 5-star restaurant. Sometimes, it's just a hardworking family who are trying to cook and serve what they have to people who don't really view food as an experience but more as survival. Kaya sa susunod na review natin, we should also remember the essence of food. It's to nourish us, it's to bring people together, and to create moments worth remembering. If you agree or disagree with me, just put your thoughts down in the comment section at pag-usapan natin yan.